Okay, I'm going to show you how to refill the Iroda 120K. Now we refill through the valve in the top, take the gas can, give it a good shake and fill it up. And we can see through the transparent window that gas is going into the tank. There we go. You can see the gas there inside the transparent tank. Now, after we've filled it, we should leave it for 1 to 2 minutes just to allow the gas to stabilize throughout the system. Okay, now what we're going to do first is just to check the gas flow. So we want to make sure the gas is flowing clearly through there before we ignite. So we'll just turn on the gas flow and we'll just push the switch halfway and I can hear the gas flowing nicely. Turn it off, turn the gas flow on again and ignite. And we can see clearly the flame is ignited and it's adjustable. To turn it off, pull back the main switch and turn off the gas flow. Open out the stand and we're done.